Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now, today we are going to discuss chapter number 1, Know Your Computer. As we have discussed this chapter in your previous class also, today we are doing the recapitulation of all the points of chapter 1. As in the chapter 1 we are going to discuss about machines and things, man-made things, natural things, and about the different machines and how do machine works. We are going to discuss all this point in chapter Know Your Computer. Now, hello children, let me introduce myself. I am your best friend. You know who is your best friend? Computer. Student says, really? But I don't know much about you. Student said they don't know much about computer. Now we are going to discuss about machines. To know more about me, you should first understand machine. Computer said, if you understand me, then you should first understand machine. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर के बारे में जानना है, first you understand machine कि मशीन क्या होती है. God made man and man made machine. God ने किसको बनाया है? हमें. और हमने किसको बनाया? मशीन को. So God made man and man made machines. हमने बहुत सारी machines को बनाया है. Observe the picture given below. They are the machine made by man. These are the machines made by man. You can see different pictures are given over there. All are made by man. This is the picture of refrigerator, or you can say that fridge. This is the picture of juicer. This is the picture of bicycle made by man. This is a picture of car also made by man. These all are machine and made by man. These are the different machine. All machines, these all machines are made by man. All machines have certain things in common. They are non-living things. कुछ सब machines में कुछ चीज common होती है, like they are non-living thing. They cannot breathe. वो non-living things होती हैं. What are the non-living things? Which can't breathe. जो सांस नहीं ले सकता, breathe नहीं कर सकता, that are the non-living things. They cannot work on their own. वो अपने आप से काम भी नहीं कर सकती. मशीन काम अपने आप से नहीं कर सकती. जैसे हम अपने आप काम करते हैं, we are living things, but machine cannot work their own. So that's why machine is a non-living thing. They help us to do different kind of work. वो मशीन हमें हेल्प करती है different kind of work करने में. जैसे हम जूसर यूज़ करते हैं to take out the juice from the juicer. We are using refrigerator to keep our food and fruits cool and fresh. We use rickshaw, car, bus to travel from one place to another place. These are the machine which help us to do different kind of work. Different machine help us in different kind of work. They work very fast. मशीन जो होती है अपना काम फटाफट से फिनिश करती हैं. They work very fastly and do not get tired. मशीन कभी भी नहीं थकती. As when we do our work, we get tired after some time. But machine never ever get tired when we are doing work with the help of machine. With the help of machine, we can do our work in a day or night. Now once again, all machines have certain things in common. What are the common things in all machine? They are non-living thing. They cannot breathe. They cannot work on their own. They help us to do different kind of work. They work very fast and do not get tired. वो कभी भी नहीं थकती and machine work very fast. With the help of machine we can do different kind of work. हम machine की help से बहुत सारे काम easily और fastly we can finish our work with the help of machine. Now next we are going to discuss about machine. There are different type of machines available. Some machine help us to move from one place to another. Some machine provide us comfort. Some machine entertain us. Some machine perform calculation very fast. We will discuss each and every machine about different machines. First we are going to discuss about the machine which help us to move from one place to another. हमें मशीन कुछ मशीन हमें हेल्प करती हैं टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. अगर हमें एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे जाना है सम मशीन हेल्प अस टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. कौन सी मशीन हेल्प करती है टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर? लाइक बाइसिकल, बोट, कार, एरोप्लेन, बस, ट्रेन. देयर आर द डिफरेंट मशीन विच हेल्प अस टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. अगर आपको एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे जाना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन वी are going from one place to another. These are the picture of the machine which help us to move from one place to another. You can see the different machines are given over there which help us to move from one place to another. Now some machine provide us comfort. कुछ मशीन हमारा काम क्या कर देती हैं? हमें comfort provide करती हैं and quickly finish our work. हमारा काम भी हमें comfort provide करती हैं and easily we can do our work with the help of machine within a few time. हम कुछ ही टाइम में अपना काम easily finish कर लेते हैं with the help of machine. Now see different machines are given over there which provide us comfort like refrigerator, telephone, washing machine, juicer. Different machines are given over there which provide us comfort. These are the machine which provide us comfort. Like refrigerator keep our food fresh and cool. With the help of we keep our food fresh and cool. Telephone, if we want to talk our relative or friends from one they are in sitting in the country or outside the country, or you can say that in abroad, then you can call with the help of or talk with the help of telephone. आप अपने friends और relative से बात कर सकते हैं at one place to different place. You can talk with your friend with the help of telephone. Washing machine help in to wash your clothes quickly. We can wash our clothes with the help of washing machine. This is the picture of washing machine. This is the picture of juicer. This is the machine. Juicer is also machine. This machine help us to take out juice from with the help of juicer. These machine work with some machine works with the help of electricity. Like refrigerator works with the electricity. Mobile phone works with the help of electricity. Washing machine also works with the electricity. Juicer also works with the electricity. There are the different machine. Some machine works with the help of electricity and some machine works with the human power, or some machine works with the fuel. These are the machine which works with the help of electricity. Now next we are going to discuss some machine entertain us. कुछ machine हमारा entertain करती हैं like music system and television. You can see here this is a picture of music system. Music system help us in entertainment, like you can listen music and you can do dance with the help of by playing a song on the music system. Television help us in entertainment. You can watch cartoon movies on television. If you are getting bored, you can entertain by playing a movie on your television. Now next सम मशीन परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन वेरी फास्ट, कुछ मशीन हमारा कैलकुलेशन क्या कर देती हैं, वेरी फास्ट एंड क्विकली कर देती हैं। लाइक कैलकुलेटर से हम कुछ भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी हमें एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो हमारी मशीन लाइक कैलकुलेटर help us to calculate very fast in any calculation. Same, computer work very fast, it work very fast and perform any kind of calculation you can solve with the help of computer or calculator. These are the machine which I have shown you. Again we will discuss quickly. These machine help us to move from one place to another. Some machine provide us comfort, some machine entertain us. These are the picture of the machine which entertain us. Some machine perform calculation very fast. These are the machine which perform calculation very fast. Name of the machines are calculator and computer. Next we are going to discuss how do machine work. How do machine works? Some machine works with human power, some machine works on fuel, and some machine works on electricity. There are the different machine available, works on fuel, works on electricity, and work with human power. You can see the different machine which works with human power, works on fuel, and works on electricity. Like this is a picture of bicycle which works with human power. Like rickshaw also work with the human power. Bicycle, tricycle and rickshaw all are works with the human power. Some machine works on fuel like aeroplane works with the cargo, bus works with the diesel, car works with the diesel or petrol, scooter works with the petrol. Like there are the different example of the machines which works on fuel. Now some machine works on electricity. These are the pictures which works on electricity like television, aquaguard, refrigerator. These are the example of the machine which works on electricity like your mobile phone, laptop, computer, all are machine works with electricity. Now computer says I am a machine. Computer says I am a machine, I work very fast. Computer क्या कहता है, I am a machine, I work very fast. मैं मशीन हूँ and I quickly finish my work, I will work very fast. I cannot work on my own. मैं अपने आप से काम नहीं कर सकता. I cannot work on my own. I work on electricity. Your computer is also a machine which works on electricity. I never get tired. मैं कभी भी नहीं थकता. You can do a work with the help of computer a day or night, but it never get tired. I need your order to work. I need your order to work. Computer need instruction. To do any kind of work. Now again we will discuss what computer say. Computer say I am a machine, I work very fast. मैं फटाफट से work करता हूँ quickly. I will do all work. I cannot work on my own. मैं अपने आप से काम नहीं कर सकता. Computer need orders to work. Computer need, you can say that, order to work. Computer को कोई भी काम करना होता है, it need instruction or order to work. Which command you will give, which key you press in the laptop, that perform the compatible output or show the output of that according to that key. I never get tired. Computer said मैं कभी भी नहीं थकता. I never get tired. I work on electricity. कंप्यूटर किससे चलता है आपका? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से. Now again we are going to discuss all the points which we have discussed on this page. How do machine work? Some machine works with human power and some machine works on fuel and some machine works on electricity. They are the different machine which works on fuel, human power and electricity. You can see the different pictures of the machine which works with the human power, fuel and electricity. And computer says, I am a machine, I never get tired, I work very fast, I work on electricity, I cannot work on my own, I need your order to work. Now your chapter is complete. Now next we are going to discuss your activity time given in your book. You have to join the dots and see your friend computer and color the computer with crayon colors. You have to use to fill the color in the picture to make it beautiful. Now collect and paste one picture of machine and one picture of computer in given box. You have to collect the one picture of machine and one picture of computer. You have to paste any machine here and one picture of computer in this box. We have to paste one picture of machine in this box and in another box you have to paste the picture of computer. If you don't have any picture, then you have to draw yourself on. Take a A4 sheet and cut that sheet and draw a machine, any machine you draw, and paste it here and draw a picture of computer on A4 sheet and paste it here. Next, brain builder given exercise. As I said about the different things, there are two type of the things. One is the man-made thing, other is natural things. Man-made things which are created by man and the natural thing which are given by God to us, that are the natural thing. Like plants, flower, fruits are the natural things. Machines made by man, so these are the man-made things. Now we have to solve the back exercise. From the given picture you have to look at this picture and put the tick mark on the correct answer. What is this? Tree. Tree is a natural or man-made? Tree is made by God or us? Tree is natural. Then you have to put a tick mark on natural. Now Cheetos is a natural or man-made? It's a eatable thing. You have to put a tick mark on man-made because it is made by man. So put a tick mark on the man-made. Flowers. Flowers are the natural things, not a made by man. So put a tick mark on the natural thing. Orange. Orange are the natural or man-made? The orange is a natural thing. Next is your mobile phone. Is a natural or man-made? Mobile phone is a man-made. So put a tick mark on the man-made column. Next is your bicycle. Bicycle is a man-made or natural? Bicycle is a man-made thing. So put a tick mark on the man-made block. Here you have to put a tick mark in the blue box. Second question is given in your book is identify the picture and write the name of these machine. See, what is this? This is television. I show you cartoon movies. You watch cartoon movies where? On television. So you have to write here television or TV. You can write anything here. This is the picture of refrigerator. I give you cold water. Who give you cold water? Refrigerator. So you have to write here refrigerator. I give you fresh juice of oranges. Who give you fresh juice of oranges? Juicer. This is the picture of juicer. So you have to write here juicer. I wash clothes for you. Who wash clothes for you? This is a picture of washing machine. So answer of this question is washing machine. You have to write here washing machine. Washing machine wash clothes for you. Again we are going to discuss all this answer. I show you cartoon movies. Answer is television. I give you cold water. Look at this picture. This is refrigerator. So answer of this question is refrigerator. I give you fresh juice of oranges. This is a picture of juicer. So answer of this question is juicer. I wash clothes for you. Who wash clothes for you? Washing machine. So answer of this question is washing machine. Write the answer here, washing machine. You can see the answer which we have discussed. Natural things or man-made things. You have to put a tick mark on the correct answer. You can see the first question answer which we have discussed. Answer of the first question, you have to put on the tick mark on the correct answer. In this way you have to write the correct answer of second question. Write the correct answer of second question. Now we are going to discuss third question. The following machine work using one of the given option. Put the tick, or you can say that tick the right answer. Metro. Metro works with the human power, fuel or electricity. Metro works with the human power. No. Fuel. No. It's work with electricity. Next is human power, fuel, electricity. Next is the picture of scooter. It's work with human power, fuel or electricity. It's work with fuel. Next is your car. Cars work with the human power, fuel or electricity. It's work with fuel. Washing machine. Washing machine works with the human power, fuel or electricity. It's work with electricity. Put a tick mark on the electricity box. Next is bicycle. Bicycle works with human power, fuel or electricity. Bicycle works with human power. Put a tick mark on the human power. Mobile phone. It's work with human power, fuel or electricity. Put a tick mark on electricity box. See all the answer of the correct. You have to choose the correct answer and put a tick mark in the correct box given here. I think all of you have done. Next we are going to discuss. Put a tick mark, put a correct tick on the correct answer and cross on the wrong answer. The statement that is true, you have to put a tick on that, otherwise put a cross on the box. That is true about your friend computer. Computer is a God-made machine. No, computer is a man-made machine. So answer of this is, you have to write here cross. Computer works on electricity. Yes, computer works on electricity. कंप्यूटर आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से काम करता है ना, तो दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो पुट अ टिक मार्क हियर. कंप्यूटर कैन वॉश क्लोथ्स फॉर यू. कंप्यूटर क्या आपके लिए वॉश कर सकता है क्लोथ्स को? नो, वॉशिंग मशीन वॉश क्लोथ्स फॉर अस. सो पुट अ क्रॉस हियर. आंसर इज रॉन्ग. कंप्यूटर नीड योर ऑर्डर टू वर्क. Yes, computer need our instruction or order to work. Put a tick mark in this box. Computer works at slow speed. Computer slowly काम करता है? No, computer work very fast. So put a cross in this box. Answer is wrong. That's why I have put a cross in this box. Computer gets tired. No, computer is a machine. It never gets tired. So answer of this question F part is wrong. So you have to put a cross here. Computer need food to work. कंप्यूटर को फूड चाहिए होता है काम करने के लिए. नो, कंप्यूटर नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू वर्क बिकॉज कंप्यूटर वर्क्स विद द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज wrong. So you have to put a cross here. Next, cross the incorrect word to form a correct statement. Computer are, you have to put the cross on the incorrect word. जो भी गलत word है sentence में उस पर आप cross करोगे to make a correct statement और correct answer बनाने के लिए. जो भी इसके अंदर से word गलत होगा उस पर आप क्रॉस कर दोगे. कंप्यूटर आर लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. कंप्यूटर आर नॉन लिविंग. तो ये आपका गलत आंसर है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू पुट अ क्रॉस ऑन द लिविंग पार्ट. कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन. मशीन्स आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स एंड दे कैन नॉट ब्रीथ. नाउ सेकेंड इज पुट अ क्रॉस हियर ऑन कैलकुलेट. मशीन्स आर मेड बाय God or human. Machines are made by human. So put a cross on the God. And work very fast or slow? Fast. So put a cross on the slow answer. C part of the question is machines make our work tough or easy. Machine make our work easy. So this is a wrong answer. Incorrect word. So put a cross on the incorrect word and save our time or food. Time. Food is a incorrect word. So put a cross on the incorrect word. D part. Computer works with fuel or electricity. Computer works with electricity. So put a cross on the fuel word. And need your order or lunch box. Orders. So put a cross on the lunch box. Read the following statement and answer accordingly. This is the last question of your book. Chapter 1, Know Your Computer. You have to read the statement. जो भी statement आपको दे रखी है and answer accordingly. Accordingly, you have to give the answer of that statement. Write the name of any God-made thing. God ने किसको बनाया? Any God-made thing. You can write any God-made thing. We have written here water. Water is made by God. Or you can write here tree also, man also. Man is also made by God. You can write any answer here which are made by God. Write the name of any machine. You can write any machine here. As I have written here fan, you can write here AC, car, TV, any machine you can write. Name of any machine you can write here. Name a machine which works with human power. A machine which works with human power, that is bicycle. Or you can write here tricycle and rickshaw also. Just write a one machine here because he is asking a machine works with human power. He is asking about a machine, a single machine. So we have written here bicycle. Machine which works with fuel. Fuel से कौन सी मशीन चलती है आपकी? Car, bus, scooter. You can write any machine, but we have written here car. So you also write in your book is car. A machine which gives you comfort and works with electricity. कौन सी मशीन आपको comfort देती है and works with electricity? Juicer, refrigerator works with electricity and give you comfort. Like washing machine, you can write any machine here, but we have written here juicer. Your chapter 1 is complete. You have to read the chapter and do your back exercise in your book and do your writing part of your question answer in your notebook. Thank you class.